Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks gained on Friday in sync trade with Tokyo out of for a public holiday. Australia's ASX 200 rose 0.5%, while Korea's Kospi index gained 0.6%, keeping step with gains on Wall Street. Hong Kong's Hang Seng index lagged behind the rest of the region Friday, rising 0.17% despite a sharp sell-off in the previous session. The Hang Seng is one of the world's worst-performing major stock indexes, down 9% so far in 2014. Better than expected US economic indicators sent stocks rising on Thursday, as expectations began to build that improving US economy will bolster corporate revenue even if benchmark borrowing costs rise next year. Overnight, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.67%, the S&P 500 index rose 0.6%. After US Fed Chair Janet Yellen inferred yesterday that the time frame to an interest rates increase has been pushed forward and could happen as soon as 6 months after tapering ends, the US dollar rallied. Last night, the data released out of the US underpinned this gain and helped the greenback strengthen further. The number of US unemployment claims increased last month by 5,000, however this was 7,000 short of forecast, which helped the US dollar get off to the strong start overnight. The Philadelphia Manufacturing Index showed a reading of 9.0, which was close to 3 times the expected numbers of 3.8 for March. The US dollar managed to gain over half a cent against the euro, opening today at 1.3779, whilst all eyes will continue to watch and the ongoing crisis out of the Ukraine and Friday figures before the weekend. Today's calendar is light on economic data releases or notable events, and after the Federal Reserve's surprise view of a first rate hike in the second half of 2015, probably the speeches by the Fed's Open Market Committee current and the previous members will be closely scrutinized. The EU summit continues today, and some Ukraine-related headlines could provide market reactions. Eurozone March consumer confidence 15 GMT. The euro area consumer confidence is expected to improve slightly to -12.6 from -12.7. The rest of the March confidence data will be published March 28. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.